So this is that welding machine I picked up yesterday. You kind of take all these panels off and just kind of inspect everything and swap anything out that needs changed out from the fuel filter oil. Do a whole oil change. Looks like we need to put some coolant in it too, and change this air filter out. And we'll shine up these panels. Get buddy's company off of there, and I'm gonna try to find some new Miller stickers. We'll get those shined right up with some stainless polish. And yeah, this thing doesn't run too bad, but we're gonna run it a little bit better. Sure. And that beauty's staying. That's a nice sticker. Just fuck that guy.